Hi, everyone. So we're going to do a quick tip and talk about Trello and how to use Trello to stay organized throughout the school year. So you're going to type in trello.com. And if you don't have an account already, you will have to make one. So these different things here are called Trello boards, and we can make them for pretty much anything, but we're going to talk about using it for school. So here you can add different important dates, to do items, stuff about your major, your different classes. These things are called lists, and you can make as many lists as you want. It just kind of keeps going and going and going, and then you can add more once you do get to the end. These little white things are called cards, and they are drag and drop, so you can put things in any order that you want, depending on how organized you want to get with everything. A good start or an example for a college way to use this is keeping track of your important dates. So first day of class, last day to drop classes, your tuition payments, the FAFSA opening up, those sorts of things. A to-do list would be great, so that way you know exactly what you need to do. Another cool thing about Trello is that you can add descriptions. So to buy stuff for your dorm room, that's your overall task. You need to go to Target, and then a checklist of things you need to buy at Target, you can add those down here. So you can add another item. Let's say we need to get an iron. We can add that right in. And then as you do complete items on your checklist, it will show your progress up here, and then it'll turn green once you've done everything on your checklist. To create a checklist, you just click right over here on the right side. It'll ask you what you want to name it, and then it will add another checklist. And then you can have multiple checklists if you have lots of stuff to do for a certain topic up here. If you want to add due dates, that would be highly recommended. So this exam is due on the 19th. And once you've completed it, you can add a checkbox and it'll turn green. If you had something that was due soon, so let's say this quiz was due today, then it would be red because it's overdue, since it was we made it due today at 5 o'clock. So you can go in, you can click on dates, and you can add whatever due date you want there. So let's make that due on the 10th, and then it'll go back from being red to normal. So it'll turn yellow if you're getting close to the date, and it'll turn red if you're past the date. That way keeps you on track with things that you're missing or about to be missing. A good idea would be to make a list for each of your classes that you're in, and then go ahead and add your syllabus, add in all your assignments, and any other important things for each of your classes. To add a card, you would click add a card here. So clubs I want to join. Let's say we want to join the bicycle club, which I don't know if there really is one, but there might be. And that's how you can do that. And you can drag and move that around however you please. You can also color code. So this is called the cover. You can pick the cover color down here, or you can pick a different thing. So let's make this one this nice picture here. So then that will show up like that when you click on it. So you can get very creative, or if you wanted to really get into color coding, there is another thing called labels. So this is the scholarships list, the scholarships you applied for, the Coca-Cola scholarship, and you were awarded that Coca-Cola scholarship. So over here with the labels, you can add in different meanings for different colors. So those are the most important things you can do with Trello. There are more things that you can do over here on the side, like adding in a calendar feature. So it would be considered a power up. It is made by Trello, so you'll click that right over here, and then you can add the calendar power up. Once you do that, it'll show up here at the top, and then you'll be able to see your due dates in a calendar format, which is great because then you can keep track of everything and know exactly when it's happening throughout the month, or you can click on week and see what task you have due during the week. So that is a quick way how to use Trello. You can also download the app. That way everything is right there on your phone. Thanks for watching.